Before starting the video, I have little request to my viewers that hit the subscribe and bell icons so that you can't miss our future videos. A few days ago, Huawei pushed a new update for Huawei Y9 Prime 2019 that installed May security update for improved system security. Now, users in India, receiving a new software update that installs the latest, June 2020 security. Back in April, Huawei Y9 Prime 2019 in India received smart features including Huawei Assistant and Smart Charge. However, the users did not get May patches and directly upgrading to June 2020 security level. Huawei Y9 Prime 2019 receiving the latest security patch with EMUI version 10.0.0.230 upgrading from EMUI 10.0.0.208. The update package has a size of 112 megabytes. Update procedure. Open your settings and go to System and Update section. If update already came there, then simply update it. If you using HiCare app, then open it and look for Service tab. You would find Update section. Simply update it from there. That's it from this video. Keep visiting us for tech, gaming and tutorial videos.